Configure WebDriver. WebDriver is a single word. So not two words, okay? Single word, WebDriver, and double capital, D capital, okay? WebDriver. So as I said, right, WebDriver, Selenium WebDriver is not readily available in your computer. So we have to create our WebDriver tool in our computer. So for that, what software we require? So first thing is Java. Java we require because we are using what? Selenium with Java. Suppose you are working with Selenium with the Python, so you have to install Python. So I am working with Selenium with the Java. So Java is required, okay? Java next Eclipse. So why do we require Eclipse? Because to write Java programs. So Java is a library file. If I open the Java software, you can't open as a UI. I can't write any programs there. So to write Java programs, we are using one editor. So that editor we are calling as what? Eclipse. So most of the all Java developers are using Eclipse only mostly because again it is a freeware and is a user friendly. So for Eclipse also a freeware. So no need to purchase it. Okay, so Eclipse. And what is another one? WebDriver 2, WebDriver. Okay, so Selenium standalone software library. WebDriver. And what is the fourth one? Browser driver exe. So browser driver exe we required. So configure WebDriver. To configure WebDriver, we required 4 softwares. Okay, so we require below 4 software to work with the WebDriver. Yeah, WebDriver. Okay, so Java, Eclipse, WebDriver, and browser driver exe. What is the meaning of it? Is browser driver exe? So to work with Selenium, it supports multiple browsers, right? Okay, so Chrome browser supports, Edge browser supports, Safari supports, XYZ like that, right? So to work, whenever I want to work with Selenium with the Chrome browser, corresponding Chrome driver exe I required. Yeah, so there is no one exe file to work with all browsers, not like that. That is not developed, okay? For any browser exe you want to use, the corresponding browser driver exe I have to use it. Suppose Selenium with the Chrome browser, one exe I have to use it. I want to work with Selenium with the Edge driver, another exe I have to use it. Edge driver exe is there. Okay, I want to work with Selenium with Safari browser. Okay, then Safari driver exe should be there. So this is changing with respect to your browser. But these are all common. So Java software is not changing. Okay, Java you install, Eclipse you install, and WebDriver also there. With respect to your browser, this 4th software is changing. What is this browser driver exe? Whenever I want to work with the Chrome, I require one driver exe file. Whenever I want to work with the Safari browser, another driver exe file should be there. So this software is changing with respect to your browser, remaining all are same. Are you getting a point, right? Any confusion in this? So what is this browser driver exe? So how many software we require to work with Selenium? 4 softwares compulsory, mandatory. All these are available in your computer? No, maybe or may not be, right? I have to configure, so I have to install it. What are those? Java is required, Eclipse is required, WebDriver is required, browser driver exe is required. What is this browser driver exe? With respect to your browser, the corresponding browser driver exe should be there, like that. For example, D drive Selenium software. See here, for example, here, Chrome driver. So like this, MSG driver. So whenever I want to work with the Chrome, this software should be there. Whenever I want to work with the Edge driver, this one should be there. Remaining 3 are same. Eclipse, Java, WebDriver, that is same. But I want to work with this Chrome browser. Oh, this one is required. I want to work with Edge driver. Oh, this one is required. MSC driver is required. MSC driver is required. I want to work with Safari. Safari driver EX should be there like that. So this is changing. Only fourth software is changing. So remaining all are same. Okay. Now see here. So installing Java. Download installing Java. Okay. Downloading, right? Not installing. Download Java. So how to download Java? So go to Google. Download Java. Java 11.8 like this is download Java. No. Download Java for Windows. Mostly we have Windows OS only, right? See. Just click on by downloading Java, you acknowledge the C. Click on this button, download Java. So the corresponding Java software is be there in downloads. Java is set up something. Okay, like this. So go to, so I have a C drive, program files. See, Java already is there. Where? Okay. See, Java already installed. Consider. Okay, now? So next, what is the software we require? Eclipse, right? Yeah, Google. So download Eclipse for Java. Okay. So this is the official site for the Eclipse, eclipse.org. Okay. So Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So just press download Eclipse for Java. Okay. So you will get like this.
This is free application.
Like free licensed. These are all free. See, I am using Java freeware. Eclipse also freeware. Packages, yeah. Eclipse contains some libraries. There is not license, right? Package is different. Package is not in terms of amount. Here the package is nothing but not in terms of amount. Okay. So some libraries. Your package nothing but some libraries, some classes, interfaces, something concept is there. Okay. This package nothing but not in the terms of amount. You know, Eclipse IDE for Java developer. Just click on this. So here, download Eclipse IDE, download x86-64. Install your favorite desktop IDE package like this here. Okay. So here we have some options are there, download. Or you want to select any other other version you want to go for that. Just click on this. Yeah. So in Asia, like some options are there. So you can go with the some US size thing. United States is there. There, yeah, there. But here we have some different countries are there. So go to Asia or North America. So just click on this United States, or you want to download here from here, but simply download from here itself. Here, you know. So we are not complete Java developers, which is required for our Selenium. This is enough. Just click on download. You know. So once it is downloaded, you will have a Eclipse is like this. So this folder will be there like this Eclipse. Okay, now So what are the software we have? Java and Eclipse. And now what we required? WebDriver. Okay. So go to Google.
You have to set the path variable of Java.
Yeah, Miru direct if you are configured to Eclipse not required. Otherwise it is required. If you are working with the notepad, you have to go environment variables like we have to go to the path variables. But anyway, whenever we are configure Java with the Eclipse project, it takes by default. So here install, so download WebDriver. Okay. Yeah. So selenium.dev is the official site for the Selenium. So this is the site, sir, for official site for the Selenium. So all the information is there in this site. Okay, so here selenium.dev downloads. So this is the official site, website for Selenium. Any version information, any new things are happened. Selenium developers, the persons who are developing a Selenium, right? They will update the comments here in this. Okay, so this is the official website for Selenium. Selenium.dev downloads. Okay, here downloads. So here different options are there. So as I said, right, Selenium supports multiple programming languages. Suppose I want to work with C#. Now you have to select this. So I want to work with Ruby language. So stable 4.14 like this. Now 4.14. So now we are working with Java, right? So now we have to select with the Java. Python, JavaScript. Now out of all these 5, which one we have to select here? Java only, because Selenium with Java we are doing, right? So Selenium with Java. So once install it, you will get some jars like this. So if you download it, so this is Selenium Java jar file. So this looks like this. So here we have latest version is 4.14.1. Okay, 4.14.1 latest version. So we have 3 softwares are required, right? So 4 softwares are required, 3 are completed, and number remaining is what? Browser, right? That I will explain whenever I open the browser. Okay. Now I have 3 softwares right now. So directly I'm not configuring into Selenium. So first of all, I will configure Eclipse with Java. First Eclipse with the Java. And then if Java program running fine, then I will configure Selenium WebDriver like that. Okay, na? So I have 3 softwares. Total 4 softwares are there, but right now I have only 3 softwares are there. One is Java, Eclipse, WebDriver. So whenever I want to work with my browser, then I will download my corresponding browser driver exe and I will work. Right now I'm not decided which browser I want to work. But these 3 softwares are required to configure your WebDriver. So Java is there, Eclipse is there, WebDriver is there. So first of all, I'm configuring Java. Okay. So for that, open Eclipse. Cell lead, right? See here, Selenium, Eclipse. See here. So this is the Eclipse icon. Okay. So while launching it, here. So while launching it, yes, started here. See here. What is just read it? It is, what is this? Workspace launcher. See here. So whenever I'm launching my Eclipse, the first window is showing as a workspace. So this is a workspace. So select a workspace. Eclipse stores your projects in a folder called a workspace. What is workspace here? Workspace, nothing but a path. The path, folder path. Where I can save my projects, means your programs. So now Eclipse is asking where you want to maintain your programs. So that is we are calling as a workspace. So what is the workspace here? So workspace is a path where we maintain my Java programs. So where I maintain my Java programs. Okay. So before that, I will create one workspace. So D drive testing. Now where in October 23. So here I want to create a workspace here. You know. So this is only one-time activity. This is only one-time activity. You know. So in the same path tomorrow also I want to save my programs here only. After 1 month also I want to save in this path only. So right now I don't have a path, so I'm creating a first time. So next time whenever I want to open Eclipse, same path I'm selecting. Select a workspace, right? Like that. Okay. So here I want to select. What is the folder path here? D drive testing October 23. Okay. See here. Browse. This is previous folder. Okay. D drive. D drive. This testing automation. October 23. Right. Yeah. This is my folder path. Where I'm going to save my programs.
If you want to change,
you can change it. Yeah. We have an option. So no need to close Eclipse. In Eclipse also we can change the switch workspace option is there. You can change from there. Or you can close Eclipse and again open it. So here you can browse it. So now my project, right? 3 members are there. So 3 members are there. So I have developed my programs, you developed your programs, and you developed your programs. But I am using a different folder paths. But at the end of the day, I have to share all my programs to client, right? So are you sharing a different folder paths? No, right? One folder path contains all my projects. So like that. So in the same way, Eclipse also, while launching Eclipse also, it's asking where you want to save the programs. Folder path it's asking. So that concept we are calling as workspace. So what is the workspace here? Workspace is a folder path where we maintain Java programs. That's it. Okay. Now click on OK button.
Sir, we have to separately download this workspace.
No, not download. Workspace is a folder path. Are you downloading folders? You are creating a folder. Creating a folder, right? Like that. So we require Eclipse, Java, WebDriver, browser driver exe. Now launching Eclipse. Okay. See here. So I'm using the Kepler version. Okay. Eclipse Kepler version. This is one Eclipse window. Okay. See here. Okay.
Sir, we have to install Eclipse first to access this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Java Eclipse compulsory first. So
okay.
Here we have different.
After installing, we will get this.
Yeah. You have to open it. After installation, you have to click on that Eclipse icon. So first thing it asks for path. Aim path, workspace path. Okay. So now here, just go to the icon. This is an overview. This is Eclipse project. This is Eclipse new something tutorial. So this option we required. So what is the meaning of it? Workbench, right? Just click on this workbench. Next time it opens, click on workbench. Next time it is open directly, no problem. Once again, right click, file, close, exit. Okay. Now, where is that? D drive. Selenium, right? Selenium. Eclipse, right? Eclipse. Just to open the Eclipse. Okay, done. Now it's asking for what? Workspace. So where I want to save my program? Here only, right? So no need to browse. So always the software opens the path which we opened last time. So before this, I have selected the path only, right? This path only I opened, right? October 23, same path. Or I want to maintain my projects in another folder, browse it. Clear? So I want save here. I'll just click on OK. And now I'm not sure whether the workbench icon displaying now here. I don't. Maybe or may not be. I'm not sure on that. But first time compulsory. The first time means a workbench you are creating a first time. New workspace you are selecting compulsory displays. But now second time not displayed. See, not displayed now. So I have opened what? Workspace. Sorry, Eclipse I opened. Okay. Where is my path, sir? D drive. Testing. Testing. See here. See, one folder is created. So what is that folder? Metadata. So now, if I save any programs in Eclipse, there is a link called the metadata. Now we can save here in this folder. Okay. Suppose let me create one more express. Can I? You can. Yeah. See here. Where? So here October 23 automation. For example, documents. Here I will create. So here nothing is there. Okay. Some document is there. Let me create it. Close this file. Exit. See here. Where is my Eclipse? D drive. Seeker. No, Selenium, right? Kuprakandi. Selenium. Eclipse. Eclipse. Okay. Folder, same folder. Or now browse it. Another folder, right? Where it is at? D drive. Testing. Documents. Automation here. Okay. Okay, button. So first time I created, right? Workspace. It will open the workbench now. That option will display now. Workbench. See here. Now, first time it opens pakka. But second time if I open, maybe or may not be. Sometimes open, sometimes may not open. Which icon here? Workbench. See sir, difference on the version. So I am using the Eclipse version Kepler. So I am seeing like this. So this icon may be displaying like this. Some other versions. So you have to find where is that workbench icon. Just click on that workbench. That's it. So now if I go to the folder where it is, D drive, testing, October 23, documents, automation. By default, this folder is created. So how this is created? Because I have selected the workbench option while launching Eclipse, and it is created only one time. Only one time. So this is a way we are launching Eclipse. Next, configure Java with Eclipse. Configure Java with Eclipse. Okay. Now see here. Let me take my original folder workspace. So file, switch workspace. You said right. How can I switch from one workspace to another workspace? So no need to close. No need to close workspace and then browse not required. File, switch workspace is there. So here which one I have to select? October 23. So now it's selecting by default the corresponding workspace. So here I want to save all my scripts. It's very, very simple. Practice chesina compulsory. You have to download Java, WebDriver, all these things in your computer, and you have to do that. Okay. Now this is the first my excuse. Now file menu. So now what I'm doing, I'm configuring. What I'm doing, configuring Java with the Eclipse. So this is only one time again. Only one time. Now see here. How can I configure? See file, new. So here we have a different options are there. Read that. Java project next, project next, package next, class, interface, enum, annotation, source folder, Java working set, folder, file, untitled text file, jail, test case, task, example. So here I want to configure Java in Eclipse. Okay, just file new. So Java project or Java directly project. See, if I select project, then it's asking which project it is. So whether you want to create a general project or CVS or Java, Maven examples are. We will discuss Maven later. Maven also there, but not now. Okay. Java project. Java project. Otherwise, write file, new Java project. Here you have to enter the project name. So here you have to enter the project name. Tell me one project name. October 20. This is my project name. Mostly you are giving your project name only. Okay, so suppose what is our project name in manual testing? OHRM, right? Like this. Simply I'm taking like October 23 because after the course, I want to differentiate the programs with the batch wise. I will send all this zip file like October 23. Next, just click on what? Finish button. You know, and also select this ready button. Use a project specific JRE. You know, just finish. Just finish. Okay. So now where I'm creating this project? October 23 folder, right? Now finish. That's it. So now one project is created. Same way here also. See, folders created. You know, this is not created by me, by Eclipse. Okay. How workspace link? You know, so if I expand this, we have SRC and JRE system library, Java runtime environment system library, Java runtime environment system library. So whenever you have installed Java, JRE and JDK will be there. Java development kit, Java runtime environment. So what are these? I will explain as core Java introduction. Okay. So here October 23 folder contains what? SRC and JRE system library. You know, so here also 23. See here SRC. What is another one?
Yeah.
This is it won't display here. You know, because already Java is in my computer is there already. So only you can see this October 23 SRC folder. Okay. SRC folder. You know, now we have to follow some. This is the way how we configured. That's it. So now I configured Java in where? Eclipse. That's it. You know, in this Eclipse, I can create multiple projects. So right now I have only one project. Okay, but I want to create multiple projects if you want. See, I'm an automation tester working in multiple projects. Okay, I have only one mission. So I can install only one time Eclipse, right? But multiple projects I'm working. Project 1, project 2. You know, so this folder is for project 1. So again, I have to create another project to work with my another project. So Java project, project name, project 2. Okay, JRE 1.8 finish. That's it. So whenever I'm working with another project, I will use this project folder. Whenever I'm working with October 23 project, I'm using this folder because I'm working in multiple projects. So I don't have multiple missions. Only one Eclipse is there. Okay, in that one Eclipse, I'm differentiating with my project data with these folders. Okay, so now Eclipse Java configured. But now I want to verify whether it is working properly or not, first of all. Okay, na? So I have configured Eclipse and Java only. I have to configure WebDriver also. But right now I have configured only Eclipse Java only. Eclipse and Java. But I have to verify whether Java is configured properly or not. So that I am writing one program, Java program I'm writing. And if it is working fine, yes, is a configuration is okay. Okay, now see here. See, sir. Directly to write your programs in Java, we have to follow some structure. Hierarchy we want to follow. You know? So first project, under project SRC, under this you should have a package. Okay, so under SRC you should have what? A package. What is package? What are the use of package? What types of package are there? We will see later. Just I am verifying what Eclipse Java is working properly or not. That's it. Okay. Right click new. Whenever I'm creating a new, just option is what? New. Here, which is the option here? Package. See here, if I right click, you see file new, same options. SRC right click new, same options. You know, now here what? Package. Mostly here we will give as a some module names here. Okay, suppose here I'm giving as a package 1. Okay, finish. What is package we'll discuss. Yeah, just to write a program, project under SRC package, under package. Now we can write as Java programs. So I created one pack1 folder under SRC, right? So here also, see here in SRC, pack1 folder is created. So how? By using this workspace link. So whatever I do any updations on Eclipse, it will impact on your corresponding workspace path. So that's the meaning of what? Workspace. Clear? Now I want to create a new Java program. See, I have configured and I want to verify whether it's working properly or not. So whenever I want to create a new Java program, right click, new class. So whenever you want to create a new program, class only. Okay. So first project, next package, under that classes. If I create a class, is a class. Okay. Class. Enter file name like this sample. Okay. So I'm giving here some demo. So new Java class, create a new Java class. Source folder, where you want to create a class. Package, under this folder, in this package 1. I want to browse it, you can browse it. Okay. So here my given name, my class name. So here we have modifiers, public, default, private, protected. We have a separate chapter is there. Core Java we are learning, right? This we are calling as access modifiers. So what is the scope of public? What is the scope of default, private, protected? And abstract, final, static. So these are the some checkbox are there. Super class, java.lang.object. So this one name became also right now. Okay, just to select the checkbox, this checkbox. So what is the checkbox name? It is public static void main string args arguments. Just read this. What is this? Public static void main string args. So online guys, can you please read it? What is this?
Public static void main
main
string or args.
Yes. Without this, you can't execute a Java program. So why we require this? To execute a Java program. Main method. Okay. If this is not there, we can't execute Java program. See here. Right. Check that and finish. That's it. So now a new program is created like this. So now I have selected as a new class, right? Yes. New class, right? But here see the extension .java. In the .java, we have a demo class. See. In this .java, we have a demo class. See first line. What is the first line here? Package pack1. Where I'm creating a class here in this package only, right? Pack1. See class name. Class name is what I given here, demo. So I've selected the option, right? Public static void main. This is available. Suppose, right click new class demo2. I'm not selecting this. Now finish. Now it is not populated here. Okay, now see here. Right click run as. So now how can I execute this Java program? Right click run as. What is the option you are seeing here? See run config. See run config. But if I right click run as, see here. See two options are there. What are that? Java application, run configuration. So whenever I want to run my Java program, if it is main method is there, then only I can see this option. So by using this only I can execute. See now this program I can't execute. See this I can't execute because so this is not there. See this is not there. So what is this? We'll discuss. See now I can't execute this. Run as not there because main method is not there. This is called as a main method. Okay. Suppose right click run as. It is there. I can execute. Okay. Simple statement I'm writing. Okay. So I'm displaying a message called as a hello. Yeah. Just I want to verify whether Java is configured properly or not. Okay. So to display a method, sorry, any message, system.out.println. Println hello. Please come here. Please come here and and learn Selenium. Case sensitive. Java is a case sensitive. System, S is capital. out, small letters, println, small letter, this is a class, this is a variable, this is a method. So we have so many terminals are there that we are learning. Okay, but right now, how it is there, same thing you have to write it. And system S capital, out all are small, println all are small here. This message you can write anytime. So this is I given. So this is not case sensitive. Only the Java is case sensitive. Okay. Now save it. Okay. Now save it. Okay. Now right click, run as Java application. If I click on this, what is the message I have given, right? See, displaying. Now Java is perfectly configured. So Java is perfectly configured. Any doubt, madam? This is a statement. This is a statement, and it is used to display the given message. Yeah. System.out.println. See, we are in very initial class, right? So displaying a message. Now I can display this message by using this statement. Which one? S is capital letter. So Java is a case sensitive. So Java is a case sensitive. So here S is capital. System is a class. So we have terminals are there. So system is a class. Out is a variable. Println is a method. Like that. Okay. So here S capital. Suppose if I write S small, you will get error. See, error.
Sir, for every project we have to configure Java in Eclipse here.
One time, first time.
Okay.
Only one time.
Can you
Not
show
all
me
time.
once again, sir?
For every project, for every program, not configuring.
Okay.
Every program I'm not configuring. Okay. To write my programs, first thing is I have to configure Eclipse with Java only one time. So now I'm working for another project. So you have to create a Java project. In that you have to configure like that. Clear?
Sir, please repeat the process again, sir.
One second. Okay, right. Okay, clear. Okay, 1 second. Right. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. Okay. See why it is not closing, because I have opened Eclipse, right? Close exit. Okay. Still open, huh? No, sir, back. Sir, okay, right. See. So now you have a 4 softwares, right, in your computer. So now we have to
Yes.
configure what? Eclipse and Java, and then Eclipse and WebDriver, and then with respect to your browser, corresponding exe we have to do that. Okay. Now, so here in this folder you are creating your project. Okay. So here, what's the folder? October 23. So now you decided that in this folder I want to create my Java programs. So what is your workspace folder? This is your workspace folder, right? D drive, testing folder, under that October 23.
What 23?
This is my workspace. What's the meaning of it is? This is a path where I can maintain all my test, my code, my project code. Okay. Now see here. So now open Eclipse first. D drive, Selenium, Eclipse, right? Eclipse. Okay. Eclipse launch. So do you have configured workspace for your Eclipse for the October 23? No, right? Now you have to configure. How? Browse. Where it is at? D drive. This folder, right? Select it. Okay. Okay, done. So this is the first time I configured, right? And now you'll get the workbench option. Workbench, okay. Click on this. So now, I have opened Eclipse only. I have opened Eclipse only, not configured with Java. Is it configured with Java, right? No, right? So I have to configure now. I have opened only Eclipse. while launching Eclipse is asking for the workspace. Means what? Wherever you want to save your programs. I have given that. Now what you want to do? I want to write a new Java programs. So now I have to configure Java in Eclipse. So how? File new Java project or project Java project. Okay. So now here we have to give a project name. OHRM something. Yeah. So here select the already there 1.8. Okay, fine. Finish. That's it. And now I have configured. What you configured? Java with Eclipse.
Eclipse.
Now you can see the folder src and then Java library.
Yes.
Java library. Okay. Now I want to write what? Java programs. What is the hierarchy there? First, project is there. Under src is there. Under this, package is there. How can I create a package? Right click, new package. What is package? We'll discuss. What is package? What types of package are there? Import to package, something options are there. So what are those? We'll discuss. Okay. Some pack ones. So I'm giving some name pack one. Otherwise, I want to save all my admin modules, admin package. Like this, you can give any package name. Okay, finish. Now I created what? A package. And now I want to create a Java program. So how can I create a Java program? Right click, new class. So whenever I want to create any new program in Eclipse, I mean Java program, new, right click on admin package, right click on package, not right click on project. It will create, but it won't work. Class should be in package. Package should be under src. src under package. So now right click, new class. First program writing demo. This one you understood, right? This checkbox, public static void.
Yes.
So if I have this in my program, then only I can execute Java program. Otherwise, we cannot execute. So to run your Java program, this method should be there. What is that method? Public static void main. What is public? What is static? What is void? What is main? Everything we'll discuss in future. Check this checkbox. Finish. Okay. Program is created. So now see here hierarchy. This is what? Class. This class under where? Under Java file. Under Java file, this is under admin package. Admin package under src. src is under project. See here, D drive, testing, October 23, OHRM project under src. There is a package admin. Under admin package, we have created what? A Java file here. Under Java file, we have a class demo. See. So how it is linking happened? Workspace. So whatever you create in Eclipse, it will create, it will save in the workspace. So same thing is there, right? So what is the code is there in Eclipse? Same code is there in a notepad. I said, right, I can execute Java programs in notepad also. But there is a lot of difference between notepad and Eclipse, right? This is the editor. Suppose so now error is there. See, now if anything is written wrongly, displaying immediately error. But same thing if I write in notepad, is it user friendly? No. No, right? I have to execute, then only I can find the errors. But in Eclipse, so whenever you write any statements, Eclipse internally compiles. No need save also. Whenever you write any statements, it compiles. So what happened if I compile? If any errors are there, syntax error like that, it will display. Only syntax are not logical errors. So we have two types of errors. Syntax or logical. Logical errors you can find during execution only. Syntax error is nothing but what? Structure, the format. So demo. Now I want to verify working properly or not. I'm writing a very small code, system dot out dot println hello. That's it. Now save it. Okay. Now how can I run it? Right click, run as Java application. Simple. Java application. That's it. This displays result in the console tab. So here we have problems, Java declaration console.
Can we run it directly? There is option on run after project.
Sorry?
Can we run it directly, sir?
Directly means what?
Because upper side file source refactor negative search project run is also available. We can press there.
Here, no. See, then what happened? Which class is going to, which Java file is going to run? See, if I run as, right click, run as Java Plata, Java application, run configuration. See, I want, suppose here I have one more program. Class, right? New class. Okay. This is demo one. Public static void main. Okay. Now here. Hello one. Okay. Save it. See. I have two Java files are there. Which one I want to run? Right click on that corresponding and then run as Java application. Will run. Now I want to run demo1.java. Right click, run as Java application. So then this class will execute. If I right click on the project, run as, which one you will select here? Java application. Then here both are demo1 and see. Both are executing. See here, hello. Where is another one? But where is another one? This one also should execute, right? See, right click, run as a Java application. What happened here? Showing other two options, right? And now you have to select here. We select this. First, right click, run as Java application. Now if I select this, demo1 will execute. But why should I get this another window to navigation, right? See, it's asking for the which one you write. Why should I require? Directly I can right click and then run as, right? It's not asking, right? Directly. Like this. So this is what? Configuration of Java. So next configuration with what? WebDriver. For that. Right click. Build path. Build path. Okay, see here. See here 1 second. Demo. Okay. See. I'm writing once normal Selenium statement. Okay. See here. Chrome driver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. This I'm writing one statement. No, but we got what? Some errors, right? Some errors. A mouse over there. So it's showing as what? Create class, create interface, fix project setup. 3 options are there. See, this is a Java statement. This is from Java language. This is from Selenium language. So this code is from where? Selenium. This is from Java. So in this project, core Java is configured. So I'm not getting any errors here. So in this project, Selenium is not configured. So we are getting error. So now I have to configure what? Selenium. Right click. Where? In my required project. Right click. Run as. Configure build path. Build path. Configure build path. Libraries. So here we have different options are there. Add jars, add external jars, add variable, add library, add class folder, add external class folder. This is jar file and it is not in Eclipse, outside of Eclipse. So add external jars. browse this. Okay, so I have the WebDriver, right? Yeah, this one I have. Just click on this. So right now I'm using a 2.5, but 4.14 you will get it. Okay, just select this and open. That's it. So now here, and then okay. See, sir, now here I have only what? Only Java, right? Here in this package, if I click on OK, you are also able to see Selenium also. If I expand this, now you are able to see the jar file of Selenium. If I expand this, all the packages are there. This story we'll discuss later. Now see here. Now mouse over. Now see, this is available. Earlier available. Earlier, why not available? Because Selenium is not configured. So now the corresponding package is showing here. Now select it. Now that's it, over. No error. Save it. That's it. So now my Selenium is configured. That's it. Suppose right click, build path, configure build path. Let me remove this. Remove. I'm removing the Selenium jar file. Okay. Now see here. Are you able to see the import option here?
No.
Why? Selenium is not configured in this Eclipse. So here only configured Java only, but I want to configure what? Selenium also. Okay. Then right click. Build path. Configure build path. Then so here we have different tabs are there. Which tab I have to select here? Is the library. Library. Add jars. Add jars in the sense what? If any jars are there in Eclipse, I will select this. See, by default in Eclipse also some jars are there. But Selenium jar is not in Eclipse. It's outside of Eclipse. So external, outside. The meaning of external means what's outside, right? Add external jars. Where it is. So software, this is the software. Okay. And then click on open. And then okay. Just mouse over. So now you see now gone in because this is package imported here. Let me remove it. Now see here. See here, input. See here, import. So now the package statement imported. So why we are getting errors? Separate chapter is there. So now my Selenium is configured with my Eclipse. So now drawback of Selenium is not readily available. If I install QTP, directly I can use it. If I install Tosca, I can directly use it. But Selenium is not like that. First drawback. So Selenium, to create a tool, I required 4 softwares. Eclipse I should, Java I required, WebDriver required, corresponding browser exe required. After download also I have to configure again. And configuration is only one time, not multiple times, only one time. So now in my computer, my WebDriver setup is done. So now I have to start from my Selenium programs. So that is next class. So today we discussed what? Configuration of Eclipse, Java, WebDriver. Tomorrow, what we will do is, how can you work with the Firefox browser? How can I work with the Chrome browser? How can I work with the Safari browser, Edge driver, like that? We have a 4th software, right? 4th one. 3 softwares configuration is done. Next, 4th one. Right or wrong? So 4th one is what? Browser driver exe. If I want to work with the Chrome browser, one driver exe required. If I want to run with the Edge driver, another driver exe required. But these 3 are common. Eclipse, Core Java, WebDriver, even common, in common. So remaining with respect to your browser, this software is changing. So that we'll discuss tomorrow. And how can I work with a different browser, that we'll discuss tomorrow. So today what will you do? Install Eclipse, install Java, install WebDriver, and then configure. First to configure Java. What do you require? Project. So new Java project. Okay. Under that SRC. Under SRC, create a package. Under package, create a class. In the class, while creating a class, select the main method. Otherwise, you are not able to execute the program. In the main, that's it. After writing the statement, execute it. Working or not executing? Executing. Fine. Next, write the statement. And now you will see the error. Now you will see the error like this. You know, if I mouse over, now I am able to see the import statement, but you are not able to see the import statement. Then configure WebDriver, and then you can see the import statement, and then just select that option. So now no error. Next, we'll execute it with the Chrome Edge like that. You know, so that we'll see tomorrow. You know, any doubts? Right. Online guys.
So please repeat how to execute that. And
Execute here. Now, which program you want to execute, right? So here Java is there, here also Java is there, right? Which one you want to execute? Right click, run as Java application. You see here, right click. Now run as Java application. Then the corresponding Java program will execute. You know, so from tomorrow onwards, I will take 15 minutes. You know, because demo class are over. So 9:45 to 11:15 pakka. Okay, na? Tomorrow onwards. Okay?
okay, sir.
Right. Take care, guys. Yeah, right.
Thank you.
And do this, okay? Don't forget.